Gang, what's up, guys? Yo, look, my boy just hit me up. He is actually training to be SWAT as of right now. So he has this open field that we're gonna go practice, do a lot of drills, get some good training in. I'm bringing you guys along with me. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully you all tune in, and we're gonna pop it off right now, all right? Let's get it.
On the command of threat. Threat. Holster. Threat. Command and threat. Threat. Holster. Back on target. On the command of threat. Threat. On the command of threat. Threat. On the command of threat. Threat.
And now we're about to shoot the AR. Get some drills in with this. And we're gonna show you what we do around here.
On the command of threat. Threat.
All right, guys, so look, you saw it. Hopefully you enjoyed it. We're starting off slow. We're starting off, you know what I'm saying, little by little. He's teaching me what he knows. I don't know none of these drills, you know what I'm saying? I just, I know how to shoot, so I don't really know anything else. So little by little, we're gonna get there. I just got my Wendy's. I'm gonna sit down and eat, and I'll see you guys soon, all right? Thank you for tuning in. Peace, y'all.